Thanks so much. Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. John Rubino, and I want to thank everybody that's joining us in our studio audience today and everyone that's watching the program. Now, today's show is something that's near and dear to my heart. It's low back pain, something that almost all of us have suffered with once or twice or more in their lives. Well, we may have the solution for your back pain right here today. We're going to examine a medical device that I was surprised to hear isn't new at all. In fact, it's been successfully helping people relieve their low back pain for over 30 years. That's right, 30 years. It's called the back bubble. Now, the best way to explain how the back bubble actually works is to have someone try it. So, Allison, first of all, thanks for volunteering.
You're welcome.
Before we get you in the back bubble, we all want to learn a little bit more about you and your back pain.
Well, it was actually started at work. I was lifting a computer and I wrenched my back really badly, actually.
Wow. And how long ago was that?
Just over 4 years.
You've been living with back pain for 4 years. That's a long time.
It is a long time.
Well, let's see if we can help you out with a back bubble. I want to show you how easy it is to use. Just put your arms and head through the bubble. There you go. Now adjust it right below your ribs so it's nice and comfy. Now this is the important part. Just bend your knees and let the back bubble take all of your weight. How does that feel?
I can feel my spine lengthening. I feel it.
Great. You look happy. She's got a smile on her face. We're finally allowing gravity to work for us instead of against us. Okay, Allison, how do you feel now?
There's no pain at all.
That's amazing. What were you expecting before you got into the back bubble?
Definitely wasn't expecting this much relief. I've tried everything, and nothing has given me the relief that the back bubble has.
That's great. Oh, I'm glad the back bubble has been able to help with your pain. Now, Allison, if you think that first position was good, wait till you try this reclining position. It's gonna be amazing. All right, I want you to lift your left leg up, right over the strap. Good. Now, put your right leg over it, cross your ankles. Perfect. Now, this is called the reclining position. What makes this back bubble so unique, so wonderful, is that you can actually target exactly where your low back pain is. You can move the back bubble up and down. You can also rotate your hips, just like you're doing. Find exactly where that spot is.
That's the spot.
There you go.
I found it.
Once you find the spot, just stay there and relax. Let the back bubble do all the work. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic.